Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. I am Gretchen May Sanchez. I am 40 years old. I am married with 3 kids. I am a Christian. I am a trustworthy person who always respect my employer's privacy. I am also a hardworking person who always have the initiative to work without prior supervision. I've been working in Hong Kong from March 2025 to August 2025 with a Greek family of 2. My duties are taking care of kids, baking, cooking, marketing, and doing all-around household chores. I also work for a Chinese family of 3 adults from February 2023 to March 2025. I do all around household chores. I also bake. I also cook. I also do car washing and marketing. I've also worked in Singapore from October 2019 to October 2021. It is a Korean family of 4. My duties are taking care of kids ages 3 and 5 years old. I do all around household chores, cooking, baking, and marketing. I also work for a Chinese family of 4 from October 2009 to November 2010. I took care of 2 kids ages 6 and 8 years old. I also do all around household chores, baking, cooking, marketing, and gardening. To all the prospective employers, please choose me to be part of your family. God bless and thank you.